Tegan just got a hit.
He did good.
I'm videotaping. He's my great-grandson.
Oh, great-grandson. That's awesome.
Yeah.
He's a sweet boy.
Yeah.
That boy, get those hands. That boy, just like that.
Another nice hit.
Stop right there. Stop right there. Back.
Alex, you gotta cover your face, all right? You gotta go to second. You're playing, Cyrus. Way to get it in, bud.
Go, Wyatt.
Okay, everybody's safe.
Hey, play, gotta play. Hold, you cover home, bud. You cover home.
Go, Jason. Hey, step back in the box.
Tegan's on third and
Jason, you got 3 more pitches. Make sure it's one you like.
oh, another nice hit.
Get it in, Austin.
8-2 with 1
You
out.
gotta make good throw, buddy.
We're not, yes, we're home.
Right, we're stepping.
Yes, I we've only got 2. You're not,
Oh,
we just had 2 or 3 runs.
it's the other way around.
No, we're home.
But they've been scoring both innings, so they've got lots of runs.
Why is, yeah, I don't like it when they do that because
Well,
it goes down in the books.
they're not supposed to keep score in this league. So
But they are, so that's what I'm saying.
they don't, over at the other side when they play over there.